We had a couple areas that were leaking.
It was a fairly substantial leak. It was dripping down into the house.
And into the attic up above there too.
But we knew we had a major problem. And every time it rained, we were going to have damage. I was so impressed with the estimate and the inspection and the explanation that I said, heck, I want to have Stellar do the job because I figured they were the most professional.
Yeah,
Took all kinds of photos. He had an iPad that he used to present everything to us. And nobody else had that level of sophistication or thoroughness.
I mean, just watching the crew work, they were just gung-ho getting everything done. They were just everybody all over the place. So, and kept us tuned into what they were doing also. Winston was fine, yes. He had to
say hello, Winston.
Say hello, Winston. He's our good boy. You'd never know anyone had been here. I loved their long magnet thing. They make sure they got every nail from every inch around the property and everything. It's just very courteous and kind. Don't have to worry, not going to be any drips or anything. I had put a large tarp all up in the attic where it was been leaking down, and I've yet to climb up there and pull it down. Don't need it up there anymore.
All I can say is let it rain.
Yeah. Go ahead.
The more the better.
Right, right.
I have every expectation that we won't have any further leaks in her.
Everyone with Stellar has been very accommodating, and I think communication is a main factor. You have to keep the customer informed, and they kept us on top of everything they were doing, and they worked well together.